Hey, this is Tammy from Tam's Crafts and More, and we are doing a YouTube hop to celebrate Shell Ratcliffe over at Little Acres Creations. It is her second birthday anniversary, and so we are doing a hop, and I will leave a link to everybody's YouTube that is participating down below, and she is giving away some awesome prizes. So you better go check her out. Like I said, I will leave the link down below. But this is the card that I made, and it's using the Mother's Day stamp, which I should have got ready. It's called Mom's Happy Place, and this is the stamp set. Oh, my bird fell off. That I used today. And it's got a lucky few have a mom as great as you. You may be who I am today. The definition of mother, which is a person who does the work of many for free. See also Looney and Saint, and Looney would be my mom. Happy Mother's Day, and then we've got hummingbirds. There we go. We got some hummingbirds, and we have a feeder. But on the card, I used pink cardstock, which is from the Stamps of Life, and then I put some little beads on here that look like flowers, and then I colored in the bird feeder. I fussy cut all my stamps out. See if I can get that to where it's not so much of a shine on there, but I put for the nectar, I actually used Winkostella in red, and then I colored my little birds here with some markers and cut those out. And I put the definition of mother down on the bottom. And this is my first watercolor card that I have ever made. So my husband told me, he said, I kind of like the cartoon look. I also wanted to show you some of the stamps that she has available, and I forgot to get them ready. Be right back. Okay. We've got this set, which I'm not sure why it's not in its case right now. It must be being fed and being a rebel. We have Mama's Flock. We have Hey There, which is one of my favorites because it's a cow. Sending you smooches, utterly awesome. It's past your bedtime or birthday. I must be thinking about going to bed. This is Piles of Smiles. And we've got Daddy's Boots. And then we have Very Sweet. I bet you can't tell that I like her stamp sets. And this one is Mr. Nuts. And then, hey, there's the package to that one. That one that went with the other set there is called Hello Friends. And this one is Fluttering By. As you can tell, some of these I've used quite a bit. And other ones I haven't gotten a chance to use yet. Here's Pigments of Imagination. And believe it or not, I do not have all the sets. Slow Movers. And this one, I honestly don't see a name on. I don't know. But it's got puppy dogs. And it is really cool. But like I said, she has given away some awesome prizes. So make sure you head over to littleacrescreations.com, and I will leave all the links down below, and you have to answer a question on her blog, I do believe, to win. But make sure you check everybody out. Make sure you subscribe to everybody. Thanks for watching.